Happy Saturday, everybody. Great day to dig into some stocks and charts. So let's just kick one off with an OTC stock that's gotten everybody excited of late. The symbol is RITE. It's Mineral Right Corporation. Closed at 0.005 a share yesterday. They focus on mineral recovery, particularly reprocessing mine tailings for precious metals like gold, silver, platinum, gold metals, and they're starting to make a lot of noise. A lot of people are excited about the Skull Valley project that they have going on. Um, the company renewed all of its mineral lease on the Arizona State Land Development early this year, satisfying all bonding, insurance, and administrative requirements. This grants full site access and enables the next phase of evaluation and development for reprocessing the 279,000 tons of tailings that they have on site. They have a qualified person, a QP, who engaged to oversee the technical reviews, including on-site verification and sampling program. The samples are currently in the lab analyst right now. This work will help define equipment needs, costs, and the next steps that they take. So they're also exploring environmental opportunities such as potential carbon and other environmental credits, which could generate extra revenue along the way. Going to hit on some milestones that they hit: the SEC compliance and transparency improvements. They completed their 2025 audit and filed their 10K on time in March, along with their 10Q. They're current. They're in good standings. They have capital structure cleanup. They reclaimed over 1 billion shares of potential dilution in 2024 and hundreds of millions more in 2025, significantly reducing overhang and supporting the future growth. Absolutely huge. I mean, I've seen a lot of people posting on this. It's a win for the company. It's a win for the shareholders. They achieved their penny stock exempt status late last year. Recent earning highlights showed 519,000 in earnings for the first half of the reference period, along with balance sheet cleanup and strategic planning. A lot of this you can go right on their website, mineralright.com, and see for yourself. They have a major shareholder transfer that was recently acknowledged with a standstill government agreement capping voting power at 45%, fully diluted, providing stability with a large holder of the company now. The new CEO that took, well, he's not new now, but when he took over in 2023, late 2023, the stock was trading at 0002. It was a dead stock. Nobody wanted it. He brought a lot of excitement. He has a huge background. It shot the stock up to 2 cents a share in short order before it settled back into where it's at now. So the current market cap is 20 to 30 million, which is extremely undervalued for what this company has going on. I did a quick search, and it's between the four acquired mineral properties that they have, documented 432 million audited book value. I mean, that's crazy, right? I mean, the company's going forward with a lot of the projects. It seems they're in good standing. It traded, I'm gonna say 26 million shares yesterday, anyways, which was up a lot from the last week or so. So there's a lot of buying yesterday. A couple more things I want to hit on. The chart. It's basically holding the 50-day moving average at 0042. It was bounced off that plenty of times just the last couple of days. The 200-day moving average is 0071. It's a nice little. It keeps revving its engines. It's the best way to put it. It wants to go up and test that, which if they could get over 0071 and close above it, it could flip this chart fully bullish, in my opinion. a lot of resistance in the 008 to 009 range. It traded, pretty much, tight trading for quite some time in that range. So I expect some resistance in there. If it can break above it and basically break above one, I think, this has a lot of potential to go higher. Just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence on that. But just there's a lot to like about this company right now, and I like the fact that it's yesterday alone, a lot of shares are getting bought up. So people are starting to look at the chart. They're looking at what the company's been up to, and they see the potential. And let's face it. I mean, it's the OTC. They say it's have a little bit of hope, and you never know. But there are some great companies that start off in the OTC that work. They could stay in the OTC and be extremely a great company. They can uplist. I mean, the potential's there as long as they stay focused. They set their goals and meet their goals, and continue to grow as a company. And right now I'm starting to see a lot of growth and a lot of potential. So anyways, dig in on your own, and if you like the video, give it a like, leave comments, because I love comments. And like I said, take a look for yourself, do a little digging this weekend, and I think you're gonna like what you see on this one. So so that's about it. I'll talk to you later.